In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix metal black screen problem. Now, there's actually a few fixes. I'm going to show you all of them, and hopefully one will work for you as well. Now, the first thing you can do is close down metal completely, so just close it down, and even close it down like this, so right-click and quit metal, and even make sure that when you go to your task manager, so right-click taskbar, click on task manager, and when you look for metal in here, there's nothing showing up. If there is, click on it, anything related to metal, click on it, click on end task, and then you'll be good to go. After this, go ahead and search for metal. There we go. Right click on it and click on run as administrator. Okay, when you do this, it will run as admin, and then try if you actually still are getting the black screen problem. If not, that's great, but if you are, keep watching. So you want to click on right click here again, open file location, and then you want to again completely close down metal, so make sure everything is closed and no metal is running on your computer. Right click on metal again, click on open file location, and this will open up this directory here where you can see metal.exe. It's an application. Right click it, click on properties, and in here make sure you go to compatibility and select run this program in compatibility mode 4 and then Windows 8. And here you could also do run this program as an admin and disable full screen optimizations. When you do this, click on apply and then OK. And when you do that, then try opening up metal again and seeing if that worked. Okay, so if it didn't, what you can try is also restarting your computer and doing that yet again, or just trying the same thing for this squirrel.exe over here. So just try, and if it's still not working, there's one last step we're going to take before the uninstall and reinstall. Okay, so you want to open up metal. Let me actually open this up right now. There we go, really quickly. And when you open up metal, it's going to, of course, start loading for a bit. And then inside metal here, this is very important what you do. You want to go ahead and press Ctrl plus Alt plus I on your keyboard. So Ctrl Alt I. And this is going to pop up this right-hand panel over here. It's going to look like this by default. Don't worry, if it's like clenched like this, you can just make it a bit bigger by actually moving around, but this doesn't matter. Then here you want to click on those two arrows to the right up top. And then you want to go inside application. Okay, so just click on this application. It's going to take you to a separate tab here, and then you want to click on the storage. So the third tab is going to say storage. Click on that, and here it's going to say clear site data. Okay, you could also do including third-party cookies, so click on that, click on clear site data, and then after that what you should do is again just restart metal. So close it down and close everything completely with this and inside task manager as well, as I showed you at the beginning of this video, and then just restart metal, open it up again, and see if that actually fixed the problem. Now if you are still getting the black screen and the problem has not been fixed, what you can try is just completely uninstalling metal from your computer, reinstalling it again, and that hopefully that will fix your issue. Okay, so that's all the things you can do. I hope this video helped you out and you found a fix. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.